What's up guys? What's up sa mga hitsuraan, mga choy og chay diha sa cyberspace? Hitsuraang Kulisaw making random videos today. Guess what? 10 days to go! Before ko mauli sa akong hometown, before mauli mi sa Philippines, oh my god. This is so exciting my friends. Since wala man ko'y buhaton, so ako raw sa diri sa balay kay nang laag sila, nanimba sila noon. Nya ako wala ko ni simba kay wala man ko'y tulog gabi. Na ako itudlo sa inyo karon guys para maka-chicks mo daghan. Tudloan ta mo guys unsaon pag how to pick up girls. Magkuha sa card. Asa ra mo to akong cards diri? Tara, sa ka-tricks karon. Pangit man yung card sama sa kapangit sa nang nako. Ako ibutang ang camera nako diri sa taas. Ato yung zombie para makita ninyo. Okay. So this requires skill set guys. So guys, here's the trick. Watch. OMG! LOL! So nakita niyo ang performance guys. So now you will learn how to do that one. Okay, so here's how you do. So here's how you do that trick guys. First, I did shuffle the card just like this. I did shuffle that one. Then after that, so next step nimo is double lift. So duha ka cards, 2 cards ang imong kuhaon na. So ripple the card. Then two cards. Then have a pinky break. So pinky break ang tawag niya guys. So imo na siyang timilhan nga duha na ka cards imong nakuha. Okay, so since natay duha ka cards sa tubangan, din na siya mo makita nga naay mark. So, di ba? Pero sa likod, sa tinuod na imo nang gibutangan og mark. So mao ni siya ang mark ang pinky break. Okay, so next step, you will grab the 2 cards in the right top side and bottom right side and then flip it over. Okay, so now you have 2 cards. So now that you got to this position na okay naman eh. So now the change. Difficult at first time but I think you can do this if you just follow my instruction. 1, 2, then change. Okay? How to change? So the change is like this. You just grab this one. Grab. Okay? In this angle. Okay, so if you practice this one, if you master this one, so first step, just see that. Okay, so just grab 1 card. If you will get used to it, I think you will get used to it. Okay. So now that you've learned that one, so now how to hide that card. So ang akong gibuhat is that 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, that's hiding. Then you grab this one, grab the deck of cards, then put that one in the bottom. Okay, so that's it. This angle here. One, two, three. Grab this one and then turn around, and then boom. Card change. Another one. Slow motion. 1, 2, 3. So that's the card change. Let's make this a little faster. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ang imong gimagikan is dapat nasa imong face-to-face mo. So let's start from the beginning. Shuffle. Get 2 cards. Then pinky break. And then flip the card over and then do the change. 1, 2, 3. Simple. Diba? This angle. Shuffle the card. Get 2 cards. Then flip it over. And then do the change. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So that's the change. Okay? Spectator must be in front of you so that you can hide the other card. Let's start from the beginning. Okay, 1. Get 2 cards. 2 cards. Okay, that's 2 cards. Then 1, 2, 3. Voila. Okay, 2 cards. Shuffle 2 cards. Then pinky break. Then flip the card over and then I'll change this one to 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is change. So practice lang ninyo guys. That was the change guys nga akong gitudlo sa inyo ha. So wala pa nin ako gipakita sa akong vlog. This is the first time nga magpakita ko magic tricks sa akong channel, but this is just a tutorial. Ma-aware mo na I do magic sometimes. I do tutorials. At tangin ninyo guys ang ako ang mga vlog in the future kay basin mag-magic ta sa public. Tanan na to ang reaction sa mga tao. So I'm excited to do that video, but not today, not for now. Focus lang sa ako ang series, sa ako ang journey in going to the Philippines. Kay hapit na may mo end dire sa Japan. Hapit na may mo human na mo ang journey dire sa Japan. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please practice that one if you like that trick, and more tricks to come guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please hit that notification up, and please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Hitsuraang Kulisaw YouTube channel. 10 days to go. Signing off. Peace. Woo, woo, woo.